Time and price is something every trader hears about, but truly fully understands. I'm Wendell, your mentor from Spektrades, and in this video, I'll teach you how to master the time and price concepts, understanding the kill zones, and bringing it together to help you achieve success with the ICT kill zones. Without wasting any time, let's get right into this video. First, we'll go over the full understanding of our kill zones and how we use them. A key note is that volatility moves the market. You will be caught in the lethargic price action. Operating within kill zone times give you a specific time range of high probability trades. As you can see here, operating during the kill zone times between 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. for the New York morning kill zone, this right here is when volatility kicks in. As you can see, as soon as price breaks below this inversion fair value gap, as you can see right here, this fair value gap right here, price violently push lower to clear this internal range low in this old low right here. And right here are the exact specific kill zone times. Make sure you guys were taking notes or taking a screenshot of this right here, because this is extremely important. This right here gives us the specific insights where the volatility will kick in when we are trading. As you can see right here, for this trade right here, this used the New York open kill zone time between 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Times. All the times are based in Eastern Standard. This right here is all the Forex kill zone times, and this right here is all the indice kill zone times right here. So if you trade NAS 100, XPS 500, or US 30, make sure you're trading based on the indices time. And if you're trading any Forex pairs or any commodities, make sure you are following the Forex kill zone times right here, because this is where the volatility kicks in. This is where the extreme movements. Make sure you guys are taking a screenshot or click the first link down below and join the Spark Trading community, where I have the exact PDF file of this exact video right here as you go through it in the Spark Trading community. Make sure you guys click that first link below to join. Before we go on the charts and go over a full trading sample on how we use the time and price theory, we have to go over it on how the specific kill zones work and why they react, how they react. As we can see right here, a great quote by ICT is that the algorithmic theory is based on time and price. Price levels are useless until time is considered. Time is of no use unless price is at a key period. Blending the two yields astonishing results in precision. That's why it's super extremely important to understand time and price. The time and price theory is what gives us our edge. It gives us our edge. It gives us precision, and it yields astonishing results. This right here is our main kill zone times. We have the Asian kill zone between 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. We have the London kill zone between 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. And then we have the New York kill zone between 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. As you can see right here, the Asian kill zone mainly work for AUD, NZD, and JPY. They perform well during the Asian session. The markets may consolidate during the Asian session if unwilling to move. That's the main reason I personally don't trade the Asian kill zone. It mostly creates this consolidation range, I would say, but sometimes it gives a move also. And then for the New York kill zone right here is between 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. For the Euro and GBP pairs, they perform well during the London kill zone. The London kill zone, just like I stated, one from 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York time. As you can see right here, it accumulates and usually gives us what we call the Judas swing. The Judas swing is what we call our manipulation, as you see in this schematic. As we see right here in the schematic, this is how our kill zones will form. The Asian session usually gives us our accumulation phase. As we see, the Asian session will give us our accumulation, and then lower during the London kill zone right here, just like I stated for our Judas swing, this is when price will either push down lower to give us our London manipulation low or London manipulation high if we are in a uptrend looking to go down. But right here we are in a downtrend looking to reverse to come and clear old highs. The London session offers the highest probability of significant directional moves. As we see right here, the London session gives us the manipulation move. So on the move higher, if we can catch this market structure shift, we can position ourselves early to catch this huge distribution move, this New York distribution, to come and clear all these old highs. And last but not least, we have the New York kill zone time between 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is when the USD pairs, the majors, they perform best during the New York session. This is when we can see the continuation of the London session trend, or we can see the reversals of higher time frame PDRAs. The New York session usually gives us two scenarios, I would say. Either a continuation of the London session trend of what happened during the London session, or we may be in a higher time frame PDRA, and then the New York session give us a complete reversal of what may happen. So the New York session usually provides a lot of volatility. That's why I personally trade NASDAQ during the New York kill zone. Now let's go over a chart example on how exactly we use the time and price kill zone theory to catch sniper precision trades. If you're interested in a free Discord where me and my brother 𝗁𝗀𝗋𝗀𝗀 share daily analysis and have a free sport course where we share trading lessons and trading studies in models, and we also have trading resources like ebooks, our Spark journal, and PDFs of every video that we have. And as you can see right here, traders inside of the Spark Trading U community catching trades with the premium and discount model. As you can see right here, catching this much amount of pips with our premium and discount model. If you guys are interested in joining the Spark Trading community, it is free. Click the first link down below in the description and join the Spark Trading community. Now, as you can see, price left us this old 15-minute fair value gap, and it's also aligned with this old order block right here. We can see that this old order block, price once tapped inside of this order block and rejected from it, but it couldn't hold to push down lower. As you can see, price violated through this old order block. Now we can expect for this old order block now when price retrace to it right here, to retrace to it and use it as a retest and bounce from this old fair value gap aligned with this old order block to then push price higher to attack this old Asian highs. Now let's play price. And boom, as you can see, price has pushed down lower. First, give us a one test inside of this zone right here, and then push down lower again to retest this old low, and then rally higher and give us a breakup structure of old highs, and then push down lower, mitigate this fair value gap right here, and then to push up higher and clear our old Asian highs. This right here is how we use time and price in action. You can see right here our Asian session plays around this specific time, so we can expect for our accumulation stage to happen during this specific time. And then the London session will purge down lower to give us a buy model based on the trend or a sell model based on the trend. But in this trend right here, we have this buy model. So during the London session, price rallied lower to clear these Asian lows right here and to tap inside of this old order block to then push up higher during the New York session during this specific time right here to then rally higher to give us this continuation move to rally to clear our old Asian highs. This right here is how time and price gives us these amazing trades with exact precision. If you are interested in the full PDF and the full strategy of this video, make sure you click the first link down below and join the Spark Trading community. And if you're new here, make sure you like and comment and subscribe down below, and let me know what you think down below in the comment section. I always read all the comments, so make sure you comment down below what you think. This is it. Spektrades out.